Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a setting needs you review problem on Facebook. Okay, let's start the video. Now first go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Facebook, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Now tap on manage storage. Tap on delete. Now go to your Play Store app. Search Facebook and update your Facebook app. Your Facebook app is updated. Now tap on open. And now finally open your Facebook. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.